Smoker's still doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I just replaced this one a few days ago, so they haven't taken it all the way down. So, again, a lot of bees in here, so.
Yeah, they're not too happy.
You see a beetle here. Kill that one. Another beetle there. Bastard.
Never really know what's going.
This frame is basically empty. Drawn out a little bit of comb on there, but smoke, please. This one's pretty empty too.
We're working it.
This one's heavy. Full of nectar. They hopefully will be capping that soon. Or capping the honey. Yeah, this one's heavy. Holy smokes.
It's honey and nectar. Capped honey. Lots of it.
That's a nice solid frame. It's full.
Okay, you've got brood. I see some pollen coming in. Nectar, honey. There's brood on that one, so I don't know if there's the queen's there.
Give me some smoke, please. Where is a smoker? I'm getting a little anxious.
Yeah, yeah, it's bad. It's late in the day.
Oh, there's the queen.
All right.
See her right in the middle?
Hold on, I can't. All right, let me get a better picture, hon. Oh, I see her. Oh, she's huge.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know where she is. So now what do you want to do?
So I think I'm going to take the next frame over if there's brood on it.
Okay.
Although I don't think there is. I think it's...
The brood's hatching. The winter bees.
Is there any brood?
Yeah, there's a little bit of brood on this side. Do you want this?
You know what? The next one looks a little better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's brood on this side. You got some on that side?
Yeah. So I'm going to shake them into that thing.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
There you go. And let me get over the, kind of do it right here. Is there still that one mite in there? That's okay. We can leave it in there.
Okay.
As long as we remember. Okay, lid. Yeah, they're getting upset now.
Yeah, it's time to get out.
So we ain't even going to bother looking in the downstairs here. There's no point. We've got our sugar roll mite test. We'll put Swiffer sheets back on. So, you know what? I'm going to just put the cover back on here
Yep.
for now.
Yep.
But we need to sugar roll.
Right.
So I just wanted to put that on to kind of calm them down.
Yep.
Let me see this.
What is it, a tablespoon, hon?
Yeah. Oh, Swiffers. All right, we're going to button it up. We'll take a look at that powdered sugar there, put some water on it so we can see it better. I don't know about how that worked out. You know, ideally, you do a alcohol wash, but it kills the bees, so it's kind of a bummer. So that's why we opted for the sugar roll, but you know, I don't know how accurate it is. But
It's definitely better than it was last time because we
Yeah.
had so many last time.